And you'll get to see inside of a few buildings that you wouldn't normally get to see even if you came here in person.
You will get to see where Cobia's crew of 80 men worked, slept, ate, and hoped that they would make it home alive.
You will get a virtual tour that goes not only to the rooms we do show, but the rooms we don't show on our public offering.
We're going to be going through all parts of the ship, the gun deck, the berth deck, down to the areas normally closed to the public.
On our tour, we're going to explore the lives of enslaved individuals and their transition from bondage to freedom.
You are going to learn a lot of things, interesting things about the fortifications of Old San Juan built by the Spaniards centuries ago.
In addition, you will also be invited behind the scenes to see how our current exhibition came to be.